Hi there, Dan Burgos here with Alpha Nova Consulting. I get this question every so often, from leaders in manufacturing. How do we get buy-in? How do we get our people to buy in and really get involved in what we're trying to do? And so I wanted to share some thoughts around that so that can help you get it going. So if you're the owner or senior leader of a manufacturing business, you're trying to drive improvement, you're trying to drive change, and you want to get buy-in from your people, I'm going to give you 8 tips to be able to do that. The first one is share your vision. Sometimes you fail to share what the objective is, what does success look like for our people. And often what happens is that they'll start questioning, what are we trying to accomplish? Where are we going with this? And that may affect the level of buy-in they may have. And so make sure at the beginning of your efforts that you share the vision. What is it you're trying to accomplish? What's the end goal? And again, as I mentioned earlier, what does success look like? The second one is answer the why. We're creatures of nature, as you probably know. And so when people understand what's the rationale, why are we trying to make this change, they start questioning it again. And so you want to make sure you answer, why are we pursuing this course of action? Why are we being disruptive in changing our habits to something else? So make sure you always answer the why. The third one is make sure you educate your people. A lot of times we take it for granted, or we assume that people understand or know what we're trying to accomplish. Like the old adage says, we don't know what we don't know. So make sure your people understand and have a basic understanding of what you're trying to accomplish and the underlying concepts that are attached to what you're trying to accomplish. The fourth one is show them the benefits. People may not understand what's on the other side of the wall. You want to show them what are the benefits for the business. It may be profitability, it may be growth, it may be we're gaining this or that or the other thing. So make sure they understand what are the benefits for the business so they can get behind it. Once they see the benefits, typically they'll understand that this will be a benefit, a collective benefit for the business and therefore for them as well. All right, the fifth one is answer the WIFM. And WIFM is an acronym for what's in it for me. So we want to create a team mentality, but at the same time, employees, as much as they want the business to succeed and grow, they also want to know what's in it for them. And the idea is that when you try to drive improvement into your business, all stakeholders benefit, right? How does profitable growth benefit employees? They could have better salaries, better perks, job security. Make sure that whatever you're trying to accomplish, they understand, they can connect the dots, because otherwise, sometimes people on the shop floor may not be business people. They may not understand, they might not translate financials to what it means to them in the shop floor. So make sure you connect those dots, and that'll assure you a better buy-in from your people. The sixth one is solve a problem for them. Thinking about in manufacturing, you have a lot of blue-collar people, and they don't necessarily want to hear the explanation. They want to see action. And so if you're trying to get their buy-in, go solve a problem for them. Let them see it. If you make it tangible for them, they're more likely to buy in. And once they see that, the light bulbs are going to go on, and you may end up with a very strong advocate because they've seen it. They can attest to it. And it's tangible for them. It's real. It's not words, or it's not pie in the sky, as a lot of people say. The seventh one is engage them in the process. And this is one of the most powerful ways to get buy-in. When you get people involved and they're participating in the change process, it's almost like something changes in them. I've heard people say, we thought this was going to be a fad, or there's legacy issues from past leadership that lost credibility with the employees. But when you help them and they actually implement change, some of the reactions I hear is, are you telling me we can make this change happen? And the light bulbs go on. And once they go on and you allow them to make change, you have someone that's bought in all the way, and more than likely they're going to help you get other people to buy into your initiative. Number 8 is follow through. This is a tough one because so many leaders, they say things, they make commitments, but the actions don't follow the words. So make sure that, when you make commitments, you follow through. I don't have to tell you how, your employees, they're watching you. They're watching your leadership. And so if you want to maintain that credibility, that trust with your people, make sure you follow through. So there you have it, 8 tips that if you apply correctly will give you a far better chance of being effective and getting buy-in from your people and really drive significant change.
If you're watching this on YouTube, make sure to subscribe to receive notifications. If you have questions or want to learn more about us, visit us at alphanovaconsulting.com. I'm Dan Burgos, and thanks for watching.